Hello, I'm back here, Sweetie Pie 181 with Sweetie Pie Serafina. Again, her belly button is going weird. It's because of the camera, don't worry about it. But now I am on here, and I am going to show you part 2 of Serafina's moves. You go to fidget. Let's see. Fidget friends stuck. Apparently, okay. And when you're on Bing or Google, you'll see interactive dancing and talking robot toys. You want to click that, and it will have something. Let's see. Let's see what's reading. Start to press that. I like this video a lot. This part of she's purple. She's purple, okay? Purple. Purple, get it right. See, that's Willa, Sage, Serafina, which is mine, and Logan. Just tell you, Logan is a girl name. Now, you go to, okay.
Oh, yeah, baby.
We can click Serafina. It says, this little lady has the biggest heart, loves to talk and wants to hear everything you have to say. She adores all things girly, fashion, makeup, jewelry, and going to the mall. And her favorites are hobbies, singing, subjects, history, movies, romantic comedies, music, all pop all the time, food, pizza. Pizza. Now, if you see this game here, I've got my fidget friend there. And now, you click the chirp mode. You see there's going to be a little circle there with things like connected. There we go. So now she will be connecting. I want to turn this out of it. But then you click start. Pretty sure I think it's the mouse game. So yeah. And yeah, you use the mouse to click the nose. And go on this later to love. That is the most that you can play along too. So see? My fidget friend might start dancing. So yeah. And you really want to get the flowers. You want to get the flowers more than ever. You do not want to get the banana peels though. Like that. No. No. See, that's a good meter. That really gets rid of it. See? I don't think it has any flowers. There we go. Green up. And the flower here. Woohoo! You just got your first flower. Collect flowers to get cool power-ups at the store. Now, here's the store. Look, there's a newbie. You pocket the fidget friends. Collect that stuff. That's a fidget friend newbie. And the dance you keep your power-ups for your fidget friend. Spotlight powers up and gives you this movement as well. The flower power doubles each flower you use. There's only 4 levels. Now what's this? Another cyber. You better be quicker. Let's be quicker. And we can be 3 first. So they're cybers. Want to get that? a million at a time, so I'm pretty good at it. Now that's Sage dancing at the moment. Sage in the spotlight. It's not the hardest of a game, but I gotta say, at the end it does give you a pretty high challenge. 3 notes. Next level. 4-star versus wow, Yowza. Willa, this is Willa here. And this is Serafina's song from her. Apparently you did hear that on the part 1. Now, if you're not completely into girly things, I'm planning on doing some Plants vs. Zombie stuff and some drawing Mario character stuff, but don't worry. It's not going to be the boyish type stuff. It's going to be more of the other stuff. So, yeah. Let's go to the store. We have 5. I want to see mine for the little fidget friend. I've got one myself, but I don't know where it is. It's probably the baby version of Seraphina here. So, back to game. Apparently I'm on the last level. Ready to go to your fidget friend? There's our hardest dance yet. Let's dance. Here we go. The last thing of the video. And this is from Seraphina too. Please comment, subscribe, and like. If you do so and you have your own videos, I may watch some and even like, comment, and do the same. Pretty much, yeah. Yeah, it goes down apparently. I never noticed that, but it goes down quicker now. But you can keep playing until you want to. Only 4 levels, pretty boring, but something to do. Not that's the hardest. You still have all that. I only got 2 notes, but normally I can. Oh look! You're the best friend a fidget friend could have. So yeah. Ooh, look. There's videos right there. Let's play the fidget friend thing. There's Willa. It's not not exactly how it goes. Yes, it does. Kind of fidget friend, yeah, but like we're gonna get squishy. Now,
Before you get started, ask your mom or dad to help you remove your fidget friend from the packaging and replace their Try Me batteries. The Try Me batteries are for demonstration purposes only, so you're going to want to replace them with 5 fresh AA alkaline batteries. Additionally, if you find that the fidget friend is down or not working properly, try replacing the batteries. Don't forget to remove the cheat sheet from the box. It has all the key phrases you will need to talk with your fidget friend.
yep, all the key phrases.
Now it's time to turn your fidget friend on. You do this by turning the switch on the bottom towards the minus sign. That means she's in home mode. It's very important to only speak to your fidget friend when her belly is lit. This means she is listening to you. Speak clearly. Make sure you are always just a few feet away from her when talking to her.
feeling me up. His dad's laughing at me.
Think you want the belly lights on? Maybe I only recommend girls' voices.
Made for girls. Remember that. If you're a boy, it won't work. Look! Look, a parrot. Isn't that cool? It's a parrot. Get it right. If you can't see it well, it's a parrot. It's a parrot. And the parrot's dancing. That parrot must be pretty well trained. So, yep. Dancing dog video. Apparently that's dancing. And there's a dog in a choo-choo. And it's dancing. And I like that. So yeah, you get it. It's funny. Should we read the story? So if you don't want to, that's probably the rest of it. Let's see. Read story. Come on.
Huh? She went shopping?
Okay. So yeah. Okay.